Replacing the radio for escape. I'm hoping that this will work out. I know it was going to work out because I got sound now. Before I didn't have no audio. It wouldn't switch by the everything's functioning correctly now. There's no sound amplifier, so I had to pull the dash apart. You gotta be careful when you take it apart. And this is the radio right here. Yeah, pull all the. Give you an idea. I'm not gonna show you how to do it. It's time consuming. I'm gonna show you that it works. When you get a beep, I don't want to get strikes, you know, but having music playing. So I had a problem with the amplifier. It would not allow me. It wouldn't listen to the turn over to audio, and there were no sounds when you touch the screen. So as you can see, everything's working now. Everything's functioning correctly now. This is because this doesn't have XM radio hooked up, but it is working. I switched it out for a used box, not a brand new radio, but a used box. These are too expensive. So, thank you for watching. God bless.